say, well, how do you feel about death? They just set an execution date on me. Well, this is the 8th time. You know, it's just like when you wake up in the morning, you think about dying?
All I want is my match, so I play all the chances, cross the expanses between my mind and yours. But people don't get it, unloved, disrespected, so bright, so rejected. I take my recourse.